Yo, what's going on, guys? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you another meta Slack tech trick. It's got two very common tricks in it, and I've sort of just like combined them together to teach them to you today. Anyway, here's what the trick looks like from my perspective. I sort of messed it up because of my string tension, but otherwise that is the whole trick. Two things before we get into this video. I'm going to be using the Edge Beyond for this tutorial, and this video is sponsored by Yoyo UK, so you can pick up any of their amazing yo-yos and use code Kieran5 for 5% off. Anyway, here's how to do this trick. So you're going to start off by landing into just a basic trapeze like so, and as you throw in, you're going to want to do a little wrap around your index finger. Now, whilst doing this, you're going to land into just a chopsticks, but making sure to keep it on that trapeze, right, like so. And then you're going to do a little rejection. So you're going to basically swing the release this string off your index finger, and then using that kamikaze whip, throw it over. At the same time, you're going to put the yo-yo onto your throw hand index finger and then just intercept with the string there. And you should land in a mount that looks like this. Now, I know that's quite a lot. I know I know Yoyo Joe has a tutorial on this, so I'll be sure to leave this element linked in the tutorial. But otherwise, yeah, you basically just do what I just said. So I've got the cut on my thumb and it sort of makes it stick. But yeah, you basically just intercept and you'll want to land in a mount like this. So from here, you're actually going to put your thumb on this string here and then roll onto this string with your index finger. And this should land you in a Houdini mount. From this Houdini mount, you're going to pinch with your index finger and thumb on your throw hand and then hit the slack on your wrist. Then you're going to pop up, and at the same time as popping up, you're going to whip that slack into the gap of the yo-yo. Right, like so. It's kind of like doing that really common meta element. Anyway, from here you're going to roll the yo-yo over and then do a little underpass. Then roll the yo onto this string here, and then just do that tension whip to get into a fake kamikaze. I know this element has also got a load of tutorials. I'm pretty sure I have a tutorial on this, but if you really want to find it out, I'm pretty sure Yo-Yo King has a good tutorial, or I think that's his name, on it. But yeah, basically from here, just creating tension with your thumb, then whipping the slack round. From here you can pop off the back, and then you're going to pop the yo off the front, and then land onto this string here. And then to finish it off, you're just going to do a suicide and catch, like so. I know this trick is quite a lot, so I will go over it one more time, but you'll be on your merry way. Chopsticks, little wrap on your index finger, throw the slack over, intercept with the yo-yo, Houdini mount, pinch, hit the slack on your wrist, pop up and roll round. Then you'll roll over your wrist, underpass, roll on, tension slack, pop off the back, reject, land on that front string, and do a suicide. Now, sometimes when you do a suicide, you'll catch in a hook. That's not what you want to happen. You do want to just catch in a basic trapeze, but it's fine if you do catch in a hook. Anyway, yeah, that's the whole tutorial. Any comments or questions, let me know at Kieran Can't Yo-Yo on Instagram, or you can let me know in the comments. Otherwise, yeah,